Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 4th of September 2020 question number 9. If 2x square plus 3x plus 4 whole to the power 10 is equal to r is equal to 0 to 20 summation a r x r, then a to the power a of 7 term of a divided by 13 term of a is equal to what? This is the question in the house of sequence and series. So we at first given sequence is 2x square plus 3x plus 4 whole 10 is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to 20 ar xr x to the power r. It is given. Now from the formula we know general term is equal to general term is equal to summation 10 divide r1 factorial factorial r2 factorial r3 2x square whole r1 into 3x whole r2 into 4 whole r3, all in these functions to the power r1 r2 and r3. That is equal to, it's a formula of general term, that is equal to factorial 10 divide factorial r1 r2 and factorial r3, 2 to the power r1 into 3 to the power r2 into 4 to the power r3 into x to the power 2r1 x to the power 2r1 plus x to the power, it is r2. So it is the general term. Now coefficient of x to the power 7 is here a to the power 7. So coefficient of x to the power 7 is equal to a to the power 7, and here some conditions arise, that is 2r1 plus r2 is equal to 7, 2r1 plus r2, that it is equal to 7, and r1 plus r2 plus r3 is equal to 10 here, as the power is 10, so 2r1 plus r2 plus r3 is equal to 10, and r1 multiplication of these terms r1 r2 r3 is lies between 0 to 10, so it is less or equal to r1 r2 r3 so equal to 10. So just write now a to the power 7 is equal to factorial 10 into 3 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 3 divide factorial 10 into factorial 10 into factorial 7 into factorial 3. So this is equal to a to the power 7 plus another one is also factorial 10 into 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 4 to the power 4 divide factorial 1 factorial 5 into factorial 4, then factorial 10 into factorial 2 square into 3 cube into 4 to the power 5 divide factorial 2 factorial 3 factorial 5. Now factorial 10 into 2 cube into 3 to the power 1 into 4 to the power 6 divide factorial 3 factorial 1 and factorial 6. It is the general term a to the power 7. This is the general term. So and now at I just plot down R1, R2 and R3 for this R1 0, just from this formula, R2 7, R3 3, R1 1, R2 5, R3 is equal to 4, R1 2, R3 3 and it is 5, and the fourth one is 3, 1 and 6. So this is the fact. This could be happened here. Now another term is a to the power 13 is given. A to the power 7 is this and a to the power 13 is another term. So a to the power 13, first the condition is now 2R1 plus R2 is equal to 13. So the condition is 2R1 plus R2 is equal to 13. Then plot the graph once again table, and it is R1, R2, R3. So R1 is equal to 3, R2 is equal to 7, R3 is equal to 0. Then R1 5, 4, 5, 1. 5 satisfying this equation. 3, 5, 3, 2. And then 6, 1, 3. So now general term a to the power 13 is equal to what? So a to the power 13 is equal to factorial 10 into 2 cube into 3 to the power 7 into 4 to the power 0. And now factorial 3 factorial 7 and it is factorial 0. Then plus factorial 10 into 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 5 into 4 to the power 1. Now factorial 4 factorial 5 factorial 1. Then once again factorial 10, just put down this from the table, factorial 10 2 to the power 5 3 to the power 3 4 to the power 2, and then factorial 5 into factorial 3 factorial 2, and last one is factorial 10 factorial 2 to the power 6 3 to the power 1 4 to the power 3, and denominator becomes factorial 6 factorial 1 factorial 3. So it is the a to the power 13, the general term. Now our question gives a to the power 7 divided by a to the power 13. So a to the power 7 divide a to the power 13. When we calculate just denominator and adding this, the HCF and HCF is cut, and everything is cut down, and just it is become 2 cube only. Is after adding this, HCF is all cancelled off, and it becomes a to the power 7 by a to the power 13 is equal to 2 to the power 8, and 2 to the power 8 is equal to 8. So it is our required answer. During the whole session, 2nd September, 3rd September and 4th September, this question is very lengthy and very series and sequence from the house of series and sequence. So here is the whole solution, and we reached. So final answer is 8 here. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.